Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover data from a damaged hard drive. First, if your hard drive has physical damage, do not power it on, as this can cause further harm. Carefully assess the type of damage, whether it's logical or physical. If any data is still accessible, make sure to back it up to another storage device right away to prevent further loss. This initial step is crucial for a successful recovery. For logical damage, like corrupted files or accidental deletion, specialized data recovery software can be very effective. Connect your damaged drive as a secondary drive to a working computer. Then, install and run a reputable data recovery program. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to scan the drive and attempt to recover your lost files. Patience is key during this process. If your hard drive has physical damage, such as clicking noises or a dropped casing, it's critical not to open it yourself. Opening the drive outside a cleanroom environment can introduce dust and contaminants, making recovery impossible. Instead, contact a professional data recovery service. They possess the specialized tools and expertise to safely repair and recover data from severely damaged drives. To prevent future data loss, establishing good habits is essential. Always back up your important files regularly to multiple locations, like an external drive or cloud storage. Handle all hard drives with extreme care, avoiding drops or impacts. Additionally, use surge protectors for your computer and other electronics to safeguard against power fluctuations. These simple steps can save you a lot of trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.